news. What was I talking about? Yeah, so we talked about the engine upgrade for a long time. So the engine upgrade, for those of you who don't know, is an update it's like our next coming patch where the game has been running on Unreal Engine version 4.22 for a very long time, and we've been upgrading the engine behind the scenes, and it's been a pretty big process, both because it's a lot of engine versions, like we had to do from 23 to 25. It's just a big leap, and to add insult to injury, Unreal Engine are on like 4.26 now, so we're already behind, even though we haven't even pushed this update. But what was the point of this? Yeah, so the engine update is essentially when we're upgrading the engine, we get like a bunch of tools that we can use when we're working on the game. Some things have improved that Epic has been working on. So like when they're doing stuff for Fortnite, they find like, oh, this feature is nice for networking. Let's add that to the engine. So we get like some performance improvements. We get some bug fixes. There are some bug fixes that existed in the engine version before 425 that we had to fix, and then now Epic has fixed that in the engine, so now we have to add the actual bug fix. So it's a messy process. Okay, there's a lot of work doing the upgrades, and doing the upgrade we also run into like a bunch of issues. So but anyway, so we're doing an upgrade patch, and that's coming out, fingers crossed, today, hopefully, if everything goes right. There's been one bug today, or one crash rather, that we discovered that we wanted to fix before we push this patch. It's very likely it's going to come out today, but you never know. And it will probably be kind of late, it seems, because this was discovered like today or yesterday or something like that, and it was brought up to our attention today. So the way we do patches and the way that we like rolling out a patch for our game is there's a lot of work involved in that. There's a big process involved with it. And that's not including like, smoke testing and like making sure that it works. Just getting the patch built and getting it out on Steam and Epic. It's a lot of work, okay? The build pipeline is not easy. So hopefully today it will come out to experimental, first and foremost. And I want to really say, disclaimer here, this is a very experimental patch, because we haven't been able to test everything with that upgrade because we're working on like so many different versions on the game. So the engine upgrade has been its own little thing for a long time, and then we've been working on that, and then now we switched over, so most people are using it, and now we like caught up and physically fought all the bugs that we run into. And really today, guys, or just CM joke again? Pretty sure it's gonna be today. It's not. We don't have the build ready yet, which is why I'm saying maybe not. But we are working on it, and as soon as the patch goes live, we're gonna tweet about it, and you'll probably notice. Yeah. So the update is gonna come out on experimental first, because this is gonna actually be a very experimental build. I really recommend, if you checked the Twitter before this stream, you probably saw that I really recommend that you back up your saves for this one, okay? Because don't trust CloudSync. I've gotten a lot of messages from people where CloudSync either didn't work, or it's a very easy user error to just click the wrong button, and then it overwrites your save files. And this happens on both Steam and Epic, so it happens regardless of platform. So just back up your saves if you really care. I hate I feel super sad whenever I talk to people that reach out to us and hey, is there any way to get back my save? My save file got overwritten by CloudSave, or something happened in the game that broke my save file, and I get super sad because there really isn't we can do about that. If the save file gets corrupt, or if Epic or Steam overwrites your save file. So really asking you guys to back up your saves if you really don't want to lose, if you have a lot of work. I know people that have thousands of hours on their save file. It just hurts my heart to hear people having and running into shit like that. Is there a command for backing up saves? No. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go to the folder where you have your save files, which is in your local app data, factory game, save games. This is where you find your save files. I can actually copy paste maybe the the command, or not the command, but like the what's it called? The directory. Unless someone's already done it while I was doing this. Usually when I have Jace on, he can like distract you guys while I look this shit up, or other way around. Here we go. Copy. Paste. 5 people already did it. All right, fantastic. Now I did it as well, so now you know I'm working, okay? So yeah, you can find your save files in that directory. Just copy it somewhere on your folder, on your desk. Back up your system 32. Game save manager to run periodic backups. That sounds like a good idea. I also heard people that do like Git, like version controlling on their save files, which is pretty cool. That I do that sometimes as well. You can't trust Epic and Steam, honestly, on the cloud save stuff. Like, or even if they do everything right, you can still muck it up yourself with the cloud sync thingamajig. So yeah, so that's hopefully coming today. I don't know for sure. I've been told that they will let me know during the stream when status progresses, or if patch notes are available for me to at least read out, because there's going to be a few fixes with this patch that are not new features, but like some new stuff that will hopefully improve things. So yeah.